Short, S&P 500, sideways trend, risk management. Confused by all that? Don't worry about it. And honestly, you don't need to know all the details to make use of what the market has to offer. AI has already changed the rules. It's no longer just guys in suits making money off charts all day. Regular people can get in too, as long as you've got the right tools. Hey there, Pete here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can start earning passive income, even if you don't really get trading or finance. Even if you don't have the time to figure it all out. Ever heard the saying, God created men, but cult made them equal? Well, AI is the cult of the 21st century. Today, AI tools can write better code than your average programmer, create video ads, and even design houses. So in 2025, making passive income from trading isn't just a privilege for financial geeks who spent half their life studying indices and ratings. Now, you don't need to be a certified economist to understand that 72% profit in a year is a pretty solid result. So here's the deal. I'm offering you right now a tool for passive income. Without exhausting trading sessions, without massive capital, you can do it all alongside your job, studies, or even while on vacation, just like I'm doing now. Click the link in the description, follow the simple steps and connect our bot for free. And watch as the AI handles the market like an expert trader. Now let's break down how it works. Before you launch the bot, you can choose your preferred strategy, whether it's a growth algorithm, investment mode, or a portfolio section. Now in this video, let's focus on the investment algorithm, the market maverick system, which my team and I designed specifically for beginner traders. It works on its own. It's like having a whole team of expert traders scalping the market while you're busy with your day. What's more, even experienced traders fall victim to human weaknesses. They can get tired, misclick, or take risks for a quick gain. Our bot is disciplined, working 24/5. It follows a strict mathematical algorithm and won't stray from it, no matter what. Trust me, that's hard to stick to for a human, and I've been training for 10 years. I once misclicked and lost $3,000 in an instant. That won't happen with the bot. Speaking of humans, every one of our users gets a personal trader who keeps an eye on the bot for added risk management, double checking for maximum security. Plus, it's way easier to dive into the world of trading with the guidance of an experienced mentor. Now let's check out the results. Not bad, right? Let's take a moment. $36,000, which means a 72% profit from the original deposit amount. No effort, no exhausting sessions, and minimal risks. And let's not forget about the bot's secret weapon, compound interest, which snowballs over time like a centrifuge. Start with a $10,000 deposit, and even with the most cautious strategy, you'll earn up to 15% annually. With moderate settings, you can get around 70% per year. Over 5 years, that could grow to more than 500%. No other investment product can brag about numbers like that. It's like you've been going about your life and after 5 years you find out your millionaire grandpa has left you an inheritance. But it's not fantasy, it's AI. Want faster growth but don't have 10 grand lying around? That's fine. We've got a setup called the boosting algo that's built exactly for that. Actually, we've got 3 of them overall: investing, boosting, and what we call the portfolio one. Each one's built for a different pace, depending on your goals. If you know trading and prefer to stay in control, you can always step in and tweak things or pause it completely. But if you just want to earn passive income while you're busy with other things, trust the algorithms. They've been tested, proven, and endorsed by thousands of real users. My team and I are personally committed to making sure the bot keeps learning and improving. So here's a win-win offer. You can test out our trading bot for free. No strings attached, no payments, no commissions, no hidden fees. Click the link in the description, follow the instructions, connect the bot, and watch your deposit grow. If you decide our tool is worth it, we can discuss how to keep using it. And while you're at it, if you found the video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. That way, you'll be the first to hear about new updates and special offers. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and my team and I read everything, so your questions might even spark ideas for future videos.